When it comes to the temperature inside the bales, this is a common concern people have. And really the reason that they have this concern is because the temperature of the bales is the only way to tell that the bales are really conditioning. I use an instant read thermometer that you can simply poke into the bales and get an instant reading on what the temperature is. Whatever kind of thermometer you have, if it's a soil thermometer, a compost thermometer, it will work to take the temperature of your bales. The only concern that we have is that the bales are warm, warmer than air temperature. Keep in mind, when you put cold water on the bales, that's going to cool them down. So take your temperature readings before you've applied any cold water to the bales. It's not a big deal if the bales get really warm, 130, 150 degrees. It's also not a big deal if they don't get that warm. Sometimes bales right next to each other, one will be really warm and the other one won't be as warm. That's not a concern at all. Really the temperature reading is for you to feel like something's happening inside of those bales. I assure you, something is always going to happen. When you put your nitrogen source and water on those bales during conditioning, you're going to get something to happen inside those bales. But the temperature of the bales is a good way to tell and for you to confirm that there's actually some conditioning happening inside of those bales. Now at this particular garden location, you can see we got all different temperatures inside of our bales. The air temperature on this day is about 63 degrees. Inside the bales is varying anywhere from 70, low 70s, all the way up into the low 80s. You do want to make sure that on planting day, the temperature inside your bales is not over 105 degrees. An instant read thermometer, a soil thermometer, a compost thermometer, any of those will work. If you don't have a thermometer, stick your hand down inside the bales. If it feels warm or hot against your skin, it's probably over 105 degrees. If it feels tepid or cool on your skin, it's under 98.6, and that means it's safe to plant those bedding plants inside the bales. So make a hole in the bales, get your bedding plants and stick them down inside there. It's planting time, as long as it's not over 105.